Hey, what's up, guys? Christina here. So, a lot of people seeing us planning these massive trips think we've been coaster fans our whole lives. Truth, we used to be the ones standing by the exit, holding everyone's bags. We were terrified of drops. Even a small hill would give us that nope feeling. But here's a deeper layer to it. Stacy and I have talked about our recovery before, and for a long time, we were chasing highs that were literally killing us. When we got clean, we realized that we still had that thrill seeker DNA. We just needed a healthy place to put it. So we decided to trade that stuff that was destroying us for the best natural high on the planet. We don't chase highs that kill us anymore. We chase the ones on top of a lift hill. When we started, we had to figure out how to handle that stomach drop feeling. I hated that feeling. But now that it's gone, I kind of want it back. But that sensation where it feels like your heart is in your throat? That's what kept us scared for years. But once we learned the science, it changed everything. Okay, see, that feeling is just negative G forces. Your body is lifting, but your insides take a second to catch up. Here's how Stacy and I beat it. Hack number 1, the core flex. Right as the train peaks over the hill, flex your abs. It keeps everything locked in so you don't feel that floating sensation as much. Hack number 2, the horizon roll. Never, ever close your eyes. If you close your eyes, your brain panics. Keep your eyes on the track ahead. If you can see the drop coming, your body prepares for it. And hack number 3, the scream. Seriously, scream your head off. Holding your breath makes you tense. Screaming forces you to breathe and tells your brain this isn't a life threat. This is a blast. All right, now I'm going to tell you a little secret. Here's something that helped us even more than the hacks. Understanding what's actually happening on the roller coaster. When you're going up the lift hill or dropping down, your brain is reacting to the forces and not danger. I repeat, not danger. Most of what feels scary comes down to 3 things: speed, height, and that stomach drop feeling. But none of those mean something is wrong. Let's break it down. That huge drop, it's just gravity doing its job. The train is designed to safely control every bit of that speed. Those tight turns and twists, that's literal G-forces. It might feel intense, but you're literally locked into a steel track engineered to handle way more forces than what your body is actually feeling. And the airtime hills, that floaty feeling, that's your body becoming weightless just for a second. It's the same reason astronauts train in zero gravity. And here's the biggest thing that helped us mentally. Roller coasters are not random. Every single drop, turn, and inversion is calculated hundreds of times over by engineers. These rides are tested over and over again before anyone even sits in them. So what feels like chaos to your brain is actually one of the most controlled thrill experiences on the planet. And when you understand that, fear doesn't go away completely, but it turns into excitement because now we know what is coming. And we know we are completely safe the whole time. It's actually funny, how things work. Once we used those hacks and got over that first drop together, it became an addiction, but the best kind. That rush of adrenaline, it's clean, it's earned. And the best part is walking off the ride, high-fiving Stacy, knowing we conquered something that used to paralyze us. We realized that the fear we felt on a coaster was just excitement in disguise. Now we're looking for the biggest, fastest, most intense rides we can find. We went from being scared of a mine train to craving a 300-foot giga. It's all about perspective. Now, if you're watching this and you're scared of coasters, or if you're in recovery and you're looking for that spark again, take the leap. Find a partner, grab a friend, and get in that line. Hold hands, scream loud, and use those hacks. There's a whole world of fun on the other side of the fear. We're living proof that you can change your life and find a new way to fly. We're heading out to grab some more coaster credits. So make sure you stay tuned for the next vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, guys, thank you.